at the back. So today we happy Independence, by the way. Okay, our 60th Independence. Today is the 26th of May. And so we are heading, Caitlin is still hiding. We are heading to the National Stadium for the show that they have there. It's a drone, light show, and paratrooping. I think that is what it is, from 5 to 7. So today we're taking you for that, as we ourselves enjoy it. Now I realize, Caitlin, come say hello.
Hi.
We tried to come a bit early to get parking, so hopefully we do get a nice spot. We're not sure if it's gonna be outside or if it's gonna be inside the stadium in the stands also, but we will find out when we go. So it turns out that it is in the stadium of itself, guys. Persons are coming in. There is parking available inside. We didn't know. We're accustomed we have to park on the road, so we decided to park there. And so it's not on the tarmac of the stadium, it's within the stadium. Alright guys, so they have some school children doing, I'm not sure what they're doing, if they're practicing or they would have had a display, and now they're leaving. So we just got in. So you have persons on all the different stands as they prepare. As it gets later, I'm sure all the seats will start filling up.
The welcome of His Excellency Dr. Mohammed Irfan Ali as he enters the stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, let's stand to our feet. Pleasant good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, gathered all across the Guyana National Stadium, and a very happy 60th Independence anniversary to our beautiful cooperative republic, our diamond jubilee, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together.
So the clouds bothering them.
Together for them as they come around once again.
They can't jump in the cloud. They want to make sure you see when they jump. They finally won a circle.
Big dreams come true.
Dogs, they will be doing a display too. Jumping. What are they doing?
They said how they were jumping through fire.
Yes.
Well disciplined, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together and cheer him on. All right.
Yeah.
I hope you have your phones out, ladies and gentlemen. This is a moment in our history, ladies and gentlemen. Our students from all across the East Bank of Guyana displaying who we are as a people. Let's put our hands together once again. What an amazing day. Come on, put your hands together. Above the Demerara High Bridge.
blessings come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from